morning. We are in Siem Reap. Just arrived from Bangkok. The flight here was about 1 hour, one of the quickest flights we've taken. But this morning started off a little interesting. We had ordered a Grab, which is similar to Uber, and as the car came and we were making our way to meet the driver, somebody had hopped in and took our car. So
well, we didn't know someone took our car because the license plate on our driver looks the same as another Grab driver who
it was
there
nearly
waiting.
the exact same
License plate, yeah. And so it was a Honda City. Like, we don't know what a Honda City looks like, so we were just assuming. And we got in the car, we put our luggage in, and then we said, oh yeah, we're going to the airport. And he was on the phone with someone, and it just seems like something was up. And then he says, oh yeah, someone took the other car. Like my ride went into another car. And so he was trying to like make the switch and for us to cancel. And it was just getting way too complicated. We were already pressed for time. And we needed to like get out of our place soon so we could get to the airport because it was traffic time and it was just a mess. So eventually we got some cash out of the ATM. Tony flagged down a cab and luckily we got there.
Just in time,
actually. Like,
yeah, they were making the final call at the gate. And we were able to hop on the bus and get to the plane on time.
Right, because we had to check in our bag, and then we had to go through immigration, and then we had to go through security. So we had to do 3 steps, and like when we went to our gate, we got there just in time to board the bus to then get to the plane.
Yeah, but I mean, once arriving here, everything has been pretty seamless. We got off the plane, got cash at the ATM for our visa, and then the entire visa process was really smooth. The wait was not very long. I think the entire thing took us maybe 10 minutes. But you'll need cash in USD to purchase your visa. It's $30 per person. But I mean, overall, it was pretty smooth, right?
Yeah, well, we just got here, so.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Everything is gonna go amazing. Outside of the airport, we grabbed our SIM card. We got a week's worth, 10 gigs for $2, which is an amazing deal. Couldn't find something like that back in the States, but we're now just waiting for our ride. Apparently there was some miscommunication and they're a little late picking us up, but a tuk-tuk should be pulling up shortly to take us to the hotel. But we haven't eaten today, so that'll probably be one of the first things we do after checking in and just hanging out in the city. Tomorrow we are going on a tour of the temples, including Angkor Wat, at 4:15 a.m. So we're gonna catch the sunrise one. So today's going to be a pretty chill day. We're gonna head to sleep early for a full day of exploring the city tomorrow. Let's head on over to the hotel. We've checked into our hotel. Now we can freshen up a little bit and grab lunch, but let me take you on a quick tour of this place. Got a couple of robes, some slippers. Grab those. Don't mind if I do. Nice. Oops. It's a nice shower. Look at this. Yeah. And that's overhead. Very cool. And a shelf. Alright, into the main room. Got a refrigerator, mini fridge, a kettle with a couple of glasses, cups, coffee, water, blow dryer, vanity, little chair. Laura's just organizing. We have a TV. The TV was on when we walked in.
It's like, yeah.
Look at this. King size bed. Very simple. a table right here. And let's see what the view is. Nice! A wall. Currently on the rooftop of our building there is a swimming pool and some tables as well as a bar. So this is where breakfast is. This is where I think dinner is available here. And if you just want to hang out, have some drinks, you can come here. But it's a pretty nice view of the city.
I didn't cut myself.
Look at the opening on this one. It's pretty cool. We've just wrapped up lunch. Our first meal in Siem Reap was a Cambodian meal at a local restaurant, sort of hole in the wall. Cool thing about it is that everything was listed in USD. We are now at a cafe just around the corner called the Missing Socks Laundry Cafe. They have a laundromat on site, so you can have a coffee and do your laundry at the same time.
This is 50 cents, 2,000 real. Like a picture of the... What war is this? We don't know.
You wanna put that in there?
Yeah.
What'd you get?
I got a tea. Just kidding, it's Americano.
It's a nice looking Americano.
Yeah, look at that gradient. And like dark all the way up to. They just top it with water, so that's why it's separated.
It's a little chilly. It's not too hot in Siem Reap right now. It's probably in the lower to mid 80s. The sun is starting to set. The wind is blowing a little bit. There's a nice breeze, and this water is a little cool. So I don't know how long I can hang out in here, but it is nice to just cool down a bit. A few hours have passed since we've had lunch. We're pretty hungry now, so we've hopped over to the Angkor Night Market to grab dinner. Let's go eat, guys. Laura's getting sucked into the alleys because she's seen some. What'd you see?
Hello, something I have with the t-shirt. Yes, very nice, happy color. But I have one.
What do you guys think? Should Laura get a matching fruit set?
I really like the banana. With the shorts.
What do you think? Thumbs up? Thumbs down? Laura just got suckered. No, she didn't get suckered, but she fell in love with the banana outfit and ended up buying it. But we were able to bargain. She was originally selling it for $12.
Which I was gonna like give her. Maybe I was gonna give her 10.
Yeah, Laura's gonna give her 10, and then I was like, nope, let's go eat. And she was like, no,
So
bye. And then she dropped it to 9, and I was like, nope, 6. And she went up to 8, and I said 7. So we got it for 7.
We got it for
but,
7.
The art of bargaining, you start somewhere between 50 to 75% of the original price.
Yeah.
And your goal is to get it up between like 60 and 75%. But I mean, you pay what you want.
You did
but
good.
I honestly, I'm not a big fan of the outfit, and I'm hungry, so I was trying to get away. But we happened to be the woman's first customer, and she kind of made us feel some type of way by saying it'd bring her good luck. It would bring her good luck. So we got it. We supported her business. First customer of the night.
Funny.
50-cent beer. Cheers. That's good. This is a local beer called Angkor. We've made our way through the market, grabbed something to eat. The pizza that we got on Pub Street was on point, but the best part about it was the really cheap drinks. Lori got a cocktail for $2 and I got a beer for 50 cents. One of the cool things about Pub Street, and I think this area in general, is that 50-cent beers are really popular.
Yeah.
So if you're into beer and you're here, definitely check that out. You can get a lot for your money. But we are pretty exhausted and have to wake up really early tomorrow morning for the temple sunrise tour. The bus or the shuttle is going to pick us up at about 4 a.m. So we have to wake up at 3. It's about 10 right now. So we'll get a few hours of sleep. So we're gonna end the vlog here, but make sure you tune into the next vlog because we're gonna show you some of the temples. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up and let us know what you thought in the comments. See you guys later.
Bye.